The whole world is suffering from a deadly disease, coronavirus disease, COVID 19. Let's get some details about this disease. The virus responsible for this disease is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. Naming this coronavirus disease COVID 19, how this name is given. International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses ICTV announced severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 as the name of the new virus on 11 February 2020. This name was chosen because the virus is genetically related to the coronavirus responsible for the SARS outbreak of 2003. While related, the two viruses are different. WHO announced COVID 19 as the name of this new disease on 11 February 2020. What is the history of this disease? How this disease is spreaded? The virus emerged in humans in 2002. It likely jumped to humans from an animal reservoir believed to be horseshoe bats. The ability of SARS coronavirus to jump to human undoubtedly required genetic changes in the virus. These changes are suspected to have occurred in the palm civet, since the SARS virus present in horseshoe bats is unable to infect human directly. In 2012, another coronavirus capable of causing a severe acute respiratory illness, later known as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS, was discovered in humans. The first case was found in Saudi Arabia, and others were reported within the following year in France, Germany, Jordan, Qatar, Tunisia, the United Arab Emirates, and the United Kingdom. All confirmed cases were directly or indirectly linked to the Middle East. Of all confirmed cases documented by 2019, roughly one third ended in death. The novel MERS coronavirus was similar to other coronaviruses known to have originated in bats and was thought to be passed from bats to other animals before being transmitted to humans. Camels were identified as one possible reservoir for the MERS virus. In late 2019, a virus apparently closely related to SARS coronavirus emerged in Wuhan, China. The virus, later named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, caused an illness known as COVID 19. By nearly 2020, it had spread throughout regions of China and had reached the United States and Europe, having been carried by travelers from affected regions. In March, the World Health Organization declared the outbreak a pandemic and travel to from and within many countries was severely restricted.